Well, we're here for our 9K giveaway winners announcement. There was 115 of you fine folks that entered in to win one of our merchandise items. So let me show you what we got. We've got your choice of our different style hats, the gray on the black snapback and the black on black snapback. And these are the Good Richardson's 112 hats. And the gentleman that makes our hats is here local over in the Mount Juliet area, and I'm gonna give him a shout out. Shirt Rags. So if you're a local, you don't have to be local, I guess. He could mail them to you. Check him out. He doesn't do just hats. He does all kinds of fun stuff. So reach out to him through Facebook. That's how I reach out to him. Does he have a website? I don't know. But it's Shirt Rags. Pretty cool. Look, it's American flag kind of color. Can't go wrong with that. Speaking of that, we have our patches as well. Now we've got 2 patches now. This is the patch that I have on all of my button-up shirts that I work in. They're a sew-on patch that a lady from our church makes, but she is moving out of the, well, not the country. She's moving out of the city soon, and I think she might be a little too far away to do our patches. So our hat guy has taken our patches off of our hats, and now these are iron-on. So they're a little smaller than these, but we're going to try these out and see how these work. Maybe just on a vest somewhere, it might look pretty cool. And they feel like the leather, and they have the stitching around, so pretty neat. Your choice of those if you'd like. And then also our best seller is our Butler Customs t-shirts. I have one on, and this is the back of it. Butler Customs, Hartsville, Tennessee. Giving away 9 things, and I said that we might give away a grand prize. Well, here's the grand prize. For our last winner, I was digging around and rooting around in all that Sportster and Ironhead stuff that a subscriber sent up for our 10K bike giveaway. And remember, I found one of these grenade like peg you could use as a foot peg or a highway peg or a passenger peg. Well, I was digging around the other day. Remember, we just found one. Guess what I found? So our and gosh, they're heavy. Maybe I shouldn't mail these. But our grand prize winner, if you want, now if you'd rather have merch, that's fine. We'll get these cool grenade pegs. Can I say grenade on YouTube? I hope so. We'll get these cool foot pegs. So if you want to swap them up for highway, one of you folks even mentioned you could use it as a kicker, a kick peg. So that'd be cool. But they're yours as the grand prize winner if you want it. If not, we'll use them on a future build. If you do not win tonight, you're like, man, I really want one of those shirts or those hats. It's easy. Just email me at butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com and tell me what you want, and I can get a form of payment to you and get it mailed out right to you. We are working on our website, but we got a guy that's working on our website to build up the merch stuff and to have all the rules and regulations for our 10K bike giveaway and any future bike giveaways as well. Also, we're meeting next week with the promotion guy and kind of finalizing all that. Here's the deal with the 10K bike. It's going to be easy to enter. Good grief, it's a giveaway. I don't want you to buy a thing from me. I don't like these giveaways where you got to buy merch and you get entered in more times, and that just seems like gambling to me. It's a giveaway. It's just my time to say thank you for what we've accomplished as a channel. So it's going to be simple. It's going to be easy, and everybody gets a fair shot at it. You don't have to be money bags in order to get more entries to win or any nonsense like that. It's going to be super simple. Just to give you an idea of how fast things are going. In October the 12th of last year, we had 4,000 subscribers. So we have over doubled our subscriber membership. And that's pretty cool because I've never asked anybody to click subscribe or click like or anything like that. So I've kept this post-it note ever since February the 21st of 2022, where I had 0 subscribers. And every time we would hit 1,000, I would record it, the day, and how long it took to get to those. So we started off from 0 to 1,000. It took 16 months. That was a rough time. Do I do this or do I not? I'm not seeing any fruit from it, but I'm glad I stuck it out, and I'm glad you stuck it out as well. So those of you that were the 0 to the 1,000, I can't thank you enough. If you're still listening to me mumbling, wow, what you need an award. Then from 1,000 to 2,000 took 7 months. 2,000 to 3,000 took 5 months. 3,000 to 4,000 took 4 months, and then it just took off from there. About every month now, we're getting about 1,000 new subscribers, and already we're at we checked 9,790 subscribers, and our 9K just ended last night. So I can't thank you enough. I never expected to have this many subscribers, and now it's just my time to give back. And I love doing that. I hope that as our channel grows, we can give away bigger and better things and just make it fun. My wife, Valerie, is out here with me. She's kind of warming up to the idea of being on camera. So definitely in our 10K bike giveaway. Oh, she said yes, she'll be in here. So she's out here pushing the numbers for us. So what we're going to do now is get right down to it. The very first winner of our 9K giveaway out of the 115 that entered is who? Joe Buck 893, you have won. Reach out to me at my email at Butler Customs Motorcycle Shop at gmail.com and let me know that you were a winner, and please include your username and let me know what you want. Our second winner is Gazer 883. Congratulations, Gazer 883. Our third winner in our 9K giveaway is how you say that? MAJNTHR33. Majanather 333. Congratulations to you. Our fourth winner is S Caveman 9126. Congratulations to you. Our fifth winner is Brian JH73. Congrats to you. Our sixth winner Matt G. Rube Ford 227. I guess that's Matt Grube. Matt Grube. Congrats to you. Our seventh winner, is this our seventh? Is Gilligan Shagan. Gilligan Shagan. Congrats to you. I'm scared I'm going to get a name on here I can't say. Our 8th winner, CS Power Sports. Congrats to you as our 8th winner. Okay, now our grand prize winner, if you want these grenade foot pegs or kicker peg or highway pegs or just, I don't know, hang them from, well, I better be careful. Hang them as earrings. There you go. You're welcome to them. If you don't want these, I understand. Just tell me what you want as far as our merch and I'll get it to you. But who is it? James Blair, 4454. You are our grand prize winner of these cool vintage old school pegs. But again, if you want merch, that's fine with me. Thank you folks so much for all that you do to support our channel. We've got 23 members now. We just gained a new member last night. So our newest member is Bill Haney, and we got a member probably about a month ago. No, about half a month ago. And it is
Road 666.
And it is Road 666. So just two of our newest members. So thank you guys so much for all you do and supporting me every month as a member. Some things we got coming up. So tomorrow is our Friday video, and we got Miss Liberty back on the lift, and we disassembled her to send all her parts off to paint to get that retouched up and shining like new. And then I've got Lucy on the lift right now, my panhead, and we're going to be changing out that pesky transmission main shaft seal that's been leaking ever since I've owned her. I finally time to change that new primary chain and all that goodness so I can get Lucy back on the road and enjoy riding my favorite bike. And then we got to get our 10K bike back on the lift. In the last Friday's video, we did it. We got it going down the road. And now we got to order a bunch of parts for it, get all those tins off to Mr. Spears at Paint by Spears. Check his channel out. And then after that, I think I might have a new project coming up this weekend. And then after that, I've got my eyes set on something I found on Marketplace. I think would be a good project for us. It's an Evo, it's a 5-speed, it's an FXR, 40-year-old, original owner. Oh, I've said too much. Anywho's in house, thank you so much for your support for what we do here, and we're just going to keep on trucking. I mean, truly, it's changed my shop to where I'm filming literally every day out here and editing and hopefully making valuable and good videos for you to enjoy. And it's really what my shop has become about. So I just want to see that keep going and see us keep hanging out in the shop and spending time together. So once again, congrats to all of our 9 winners. Reach out to me via email and we can link up and confirm that you are who you are and get your stuff to you. And please tell your mom and them I said hi.